Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Achichi and I'm a Zambian fashion designer based in Zambia. Today I want to show you guys how I'll be making a bridal dress. Actually, this is a very challenging project for me because first of all, I'm working with the fabric. The color of the fabric, not my favorite color, and I tried so hard to just try and play around with the bride, maybe if you add this color and whatnot, and the color of the day is orange. Orange. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Oh gosh, I honestly just don't know how I have to work so hard because I just want this to be a perfect dress. Yeah, thank you. So let's get started. Let me show you what fabrics that I'll be working with. Yeah, I have this. I have white. I know, right? I don't know why. I don't know why orange is not my thing, but we need to work with it. Do we have an option? No. It has to be cute. Hell yeah. I just want this dress to be the best dress I've ever made in my entire life. So this is a challenge that we have. Let's get started. The dress is done. That's it. Have to overlook the down part. That's it. Pretty much. I love it. I love it. So pretty.